So, you're trying to figure out how to withdraw your millions from SpaceX. Let's dive into this complex financial maneuver. First, look at the official SpaceX withdrawal portal. Wait, nope, doesn't exist. Trick question. SpaceX is a rocket company, not a bank. You can't just withdraw like it's an ATM. Step 2. Frantically search the SpaceX website for tiny hidden links that say refund my Mars ticket. Spoiler, those links forward to Elon Musk's Twitter, which is also unhelpful. Alternative step to try sliding into Elon's team is requesting funds for essential rocket fuel like your rent. Don't get your hopes up. Let's talk reality. If you invested in SpaceX before it went private, which means you bought shares when they were available, then withdrawal potentially involves selling those shares through the secondary market with appropriate paperwork and brokers. It's complicated. This is for investors only, so if you bought anything from the SpaceX store, this does not apply. But if you are like most of us and have only given your money to SpaceX by buying merchandise, subscribing to Starlink, or just blindly believing Elon will make you rich, you're more of a fan than an investor. Step 3. Accept your life choices. And that's how you don't withdraw money from SpaceX. Unless you find a time machine and buy the shares so you can sell them and retire. Remember, kids, invest wisely, and maybe don't expect your space enthusiasm to pay the bills yet. Consider following for more financial advice.